Welcome to our Safety Spotlight, where we're highlighting the latest achievements in automotive safety. Today we're focusing on three exceptional mid-size luxury SUVs: the 2025 BMW X5, the 2024 Lexus NX, and the 2024 Volvo XC90. Let's dive into what makes these vehicles stand out as leaders in safety. The Volvo XC90 is renowned for its exceptional safety, earning the prestigious 2024 Top Safety Pick Plus designation. This mid-sized luxury SUV showcases Volvo's commitment to protecting its passengers. In crash tests, the XC90 excelled in frontal and side impact evaluations, providing top-notch driver protection. The updated moderate overlap front test highlighted its robust design, though rear seat passengers experienced slightly elevated injury risks to the chest, head, or neck. The XC90 is equipped with advanced safety technologies, including a standard front crash prevention system that earned an acceptable rating in pedestrian safety evaluations. All trim levels feature acceptable rated headlights, ensuring excellent visibility. Volvo's dedication to safety is evident in its innovative engineering solutions designed to minimize risks for all road users. With a legacy of zero fatalities in real-world crashes involving the XC90, this SUV remains a leader in automotive safety. Drive confidently with the Volvo XC90, knowing you're protected by one of the safest vehicles on the road. Whether you're driving locally or on a long journey, the XC90 offers peace of mind and unparalleled protection for you and your loved ones. The 2024 Lexus NX continues to impress with its commitment to safety, earning the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award. This mid-size luxury SUV showcases Lexus's dedication to passenger protection through its advanced safety features. In recent crash tests, the NX demonstrated strong performance, particularly in the updated moderate overlap front test. While it received an overall acceptable rating, the vehicle excelled in protecting the driver, with good ratings for head, neck, chest, and leg injury measures 3. The NX comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. This includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, and all-speed dynamic radar cruise control with curve speed management 4. Notable features include the safe exit assist, which helps prevent doors from opening into traffic, and the panoramic view monitor for enhanced visibility 6. The NX also boasts a robust airbag system and advanced handling technologies like Vehicle Stability Control 6. With its 5-star Euro NCAP rating and impressive scores across adult, child, and vulnerable road user protection categories 1, the Lexus NX stands out as a leader in automotive safety. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the NX offers peace of mind and cutting-edge protection for you and your loved ones. The 2025 BMW X5 sets a new standard for safety in the luxury SUV market. With a 5-star overall safety rating and recognition as a Top Safety Pick Plus, this vehicle combines advanced engineering with innovative technology to protect its passengers. In crash tests, the X5 excelled with excellent performance in frontal collisions and superior protection in side impact tests. The vehicle also demonstrated a low risk of rollover thanks to its robust structural design. The X5 is equipped with cutting-edge safety features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work together to prevent accidents by detecting potential hazards and assisting the driver in real time. Inside, the X5 offers comprehensive protection with advanced airbag systems and reinforced construction to minimize injury during collisions. Its headlights, rated as acceptable across all trims, ensure excellent visibility in various driving conditions. With its combination of top-tier crash performance and state-of-the-art safety technologies, the 2025 BMW X5 provides peace of mind for every journey. Drive confidently knowing you're protected by one of the safest SUVs on the road today. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW X5, 2024 Lexus NX, and 2024 Volvo XC90 have all demonstrated exceptional safety performance, earning the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award. Each vehicle excelled in various safety tests, showcasing robust designs and advanced safety features. These vehicles not only provide excellent driver protection, but also highlight the ongoing commitment to safety in the automotive industry. Whether you prioritize performance, luxury, or safety, these SUVs offer peace of mind for every journey. Thank you for watching.